Oh my god, Aditya Dhar, we were not aware of your game. I mean, what have you made? Recently, so maybe Dhurandhar dekh ke aa gayi hu, and I am in awe like every other audience. Akshay fucking Khanna, what have you done? What have you done? I have not seen quite a lot of films of Akshay Khanna because, of course, I'm a Gen Z, and other Gen Zs have seen it, but bachpan se I was not allowed to watch films as much as I am allowed to watch now. So, yeah, quite truthfully, this is the first work of Akshay Khanna that I'm actually seeing on big screen, and I am already a fan, trust me. And every other actor, starting from Danish Podar to everyone, I mean, everyone. Yes, I'll of course come back to Ranveer fucking Singh Bhavnani, of course. I mean, everyone expects the best from Ranveer because Ranveer always gives better than the best in every performance of his, and he's always so outstanding in every single character that he plays, and of course, he never fails to outwit the audience, and this time as well, he did not. See, fighting, war, and everything else has always been a men-centric thing. It has always been. But the beginning of the film begins showing how a woman puts her life on stake to protect the parliament. It shows a woman fighting, and I do not care how much of an hypocrite is Sara Arjun, but she has nailed her role. Sara Arjun has also been such a good actor, trust me. And oh my god, who has done the music? Aditya Dhar, I was not aware of your game. The background music suits every scene so fucking perfect. I mean, the music is goated, man, goated. The music is so good. The album is absolutely amazing. I mean, and yes, a bit of core violence has been shown in it, but I mean, you know, it has been portrayed how brutally agents and spies are treated once they are caught, and how inhuman and how, I mean, merciless the terrorists and their heads can get when it comes to spreading terror. So I mean, it's nothing wrong if you are portraying something which is very true. And even Maddie has Madhavan, you've nailed your role as Ajit Doval, and every other characters, everyone. Of course, Sanjay Dutt as well. The background music, the plot twist, the kind of action, everything is one on one. So I would say it's 100 on 10. So and trust me, the amount of respect that women have been given in that film, I do demote terrorism, and I do not support what Rehman Dakhet was as a person, but the way he treated his wife, man, men need to take notes. He